Michelle from Sound Intuition here to make an announcement. I am launching my winter retreat that will be held Friday, February 21st through Sunday, February 23rd. So you have some time here to book your spots. And if you bring a friend who has never been to a retreat before or moon circle before, especially a retreat before, you get a discount. So talk to me if you have a friend that you want to bring, so you guys can both get it. You both get a discount. So this cosmic winter retreat is going to be so amazing, especially because my dear friend and astrologer Anjali will be joining us. Anjali is an incredible astrologer, and she's so knowledgeable and so sweet, and just she's a great energy to have with us on this journey. So she will be coming to do 2 different astrology workshops with us. So as I was sitting trying to figure out what should the theme of this retreat be, because I like to have a theme for each of the retreats, I was thinking, like, what collectively are we all searching for? Are we all kind of needing right now? And the thing that came up for me was that we're all kind of really in need of some support and guidance, especially with this coming new year and just all the vibes and all the feels that everybody's been dealing with. So I figured, what better way to do that than to dive into astrology, into the aspects of astrology like our rising signs and our north and south nodes, because that is like our soul's journey. So to really step into our soul's journey, where we've been, where we're going, our essence now, and really gain that clarity through astrology will be amazing. So Anjali is going to really dive deep with us in the ascending or rising signs in a workshop, and then another workshop through the north and south nodes of our chart. So we're really going to learn a lot, gain a lot of clarity, a lot of just support, really get like a map for ourselves to really sit with and get the guidance there. And then the support and guidance as well, but a lot of support that we're going to get is coming from this connection with our spirit guides. So this is a very cosmic retreat. We're going to be diving deep into our astrology, our birth charts, and diving into our spirit guides. Really feeling their energy, really connecting with them, really discovering who they are, and the knowing that they are with us, here to help us, supporting us all along the way. We are never alone. We're never doing this alone. Not only do we have each other, and you gain that connection through the sister support of those that you meet and connect with at the retreat, but you're going to have this support, this deep connection with your team that is with you always, around you. They're just waiting for you to connect with them. So yeah, we're going to do a spirit guide workshop and meditation. We're going to do an art therapy, spirit guide, divination workshop where we're going to make some art and really dive in with some rune stones and create some sigils, and really it's going to be so amazing. We're going to do a Power of 8 meditation where we really connect as a group. In the evenings, we have time to, pull out our divination cards, our tarot cards, our rune stones, our oracle cards, and just kind of connect as a group or just relax, snuggle up and just kind of connect with each other, to eat, to talk, to drink some tea, like really get all cozy together. And we'll have time, if we're all feeling it, to do a drum circle too. We did last time. We've done them a couple times at the retreats, and just so much fun. So we were just laughing and having an absolute blast this last retreat. So I thought I would add that again, if we are feeling it. So, if you don't have an instrument, we bring a good bit. So, it's these retreats are my favorite thing that I do, and everybody that comes leaves differently, and everybody that comes has always given me nothing but beautiful feedback. And I'll be sharing some of the testimonials, some of the feedback from some of the ladies who have come to retreats before. If you would like to hear about why they came and their experience with coming. So I hope that you join me, and if you would like to, just contact me, send me a private message, text me, call me, email me. All the information is there for you to book your spot. And there are payment plans too to make it more affordable for you. So there's the payment plans to make it more affordable. And I always try to keep the cost low too. But if, I understand anything can be hard this time of year too. So we got payment plans. We have the bring a friend discount. There's ways to make this affordable and to be able to come. We only have 5 spots, so 5 spots, and that's it. So I hope you can come and join us. Hope to see you there. Sending love.